Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to disable this toolbar after you've taken a screenshot. So if you want to disable that toolbar, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see advanced features. Now from here, find screenshot and screen recording, tap on this. And now here, you need to go ahead and find this tool here, show toolbar after capturing. So go ahead and switch this feature off. Now press home. Now when you take a screenshot, you won't see any toolbar appear and the screenshot will be automatically saved into your gallery. So there you go guys, that is how to disable or turn off show toolbar after capturing. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.